In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an Amazon listing for your store. Once you have your Amazon set up, it's time to create a listing. And so I'm going to walk you through that right now from the very beginning. So let's just get started. Welcome to Brick by Brick, a step-by-step YouTube series that documents the building of a company from start to finish. Okay, they're here. Okay, check it out. This is the Amazon Seller Central page. You can see we have $0 in sales, but we're finally have everything set up and they're gonna allow us to build a listing. So we're gonna go over to catalog and we're gonna hit add products. Normally, you would type in a UPC, the ASIN, or whatever the number is of the product you have into this box so you can sell a version of it as well. Not very many people sell unique original items. However, we are, so I'm gonna show you how to set that up. I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. That's what we have to do. Now, the first thing we have to do is add a category. Okay, here we are. So now we have to fill out all of this information in order to get to our next spot. We're gonna start with the vital info. So we are going to be putting in a UPC code. And as you can see from here, I already have my UPC code set up. Okay, so we're not going to have any variations. Our offer, our SKU is going to be the Stizzy 3-pack. Standard price is going to be $25 for all three. The quantity, we're going to start off with 500. Condition offering is going to be new, and we're going to do merchant fulfilled. So in the fulfillment channel, you get to a couple different options here. Merchant fulfilled means that you are going to ship the item to the customer. Amazon fulfilled or fulfilled by Amazon means that you're going to send the items to Amazon. Amazon's going to distribute them throughout all of their warehouses across the country and make it eligible for Prime. You can get Prime eligibility with merchant fulfilled. You just have to earn it, and you have to be able to ship really quick. That's the most important thing. Okay, now we're gonna upload the images. Wonderful. Let's go over to the description. Okay, so we're going to write out the description and the bullet points for this, and we're going to copy and paste it so we have it for later. Okay, so we wrote a brief product description and we put some bullet points in there. You want to save this data of your Amazon listings. It's important because you're going to need to copy and paste this stuff over to like your Google listing and your Shopify. Now we're going to go to more details and we're going to go with the package weight and dimensions, which we already have written down. And boom, that's how you set up an Amazon listing. Once your Amazon listing is shown up in your inventory, you can do things like change it to Amazon fulfilled, merchant fulfilled. You can play around with it, edit the pictures, and do all that stuff. So just give it some time for it to show up in here, and we're going to go from there. I hope you learned some stuff from this video. I hope it was informative. I'll see you on the next one.